Hello and welcome to ISE 2020. This is Ilyas speaking from Taiden, and I'm the project manager. So today I want to show you one of the latest innovation that we have at Taiden. Is we've fully upgraded our main unit, the 86,000 now. So this unit now has a knob, so a brand new interface with a knob and 2.8-inch screen that, as you can see here. So now then I can select through scrolling here. So again, it has much better visibility from far away, and I can select everything I want directly with the knob. So, and this version has a built-in encoder, HDMI encoder now. It also has a USB interface among a lot of other features that we've added to this unit, and upgraded sound quality as well. You have more input and output channels. It features also a Dante interface. So to see more and to learn more about it, you can visit our website at www.taiden.com. Thank you.